小活动。
Permanent Secretary, Prime Minister's Office, Deputy Secretary, Foreign Affairs,
总理阁下，中国人民解放军仪仗队列队完毕，请您检阅。
Thank you for hosting us today and for China Embassy, Fiji.
Welcome to the signing ceremony. We'll be signing 3 documents today. First, I would like to invite Minister Seri Ratu and Minister Gao Hucheng to take their seats. They are signing the Agreement on Economic and Technical Cooperation between the Government of China and the Government of Fiji. Next, I would like to invite Minister Kauya and Minister Gao Chen to take their seats. They are signing the MOU regarding the joint feasibility study on a China-Fiji Free Trade Agreement between the Ministry of Commerce of China and the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism of Fiji.
和刘鹏局长入座。
Last, I would like to ask Ambassador Navalurura and Minister Liu Peng to take their seats. They are signing the MOU on sports cooperation between the General Administration of Sports of China and the Ministry of Youth and Sports of Fiji.
签字仪式到此结束，谢谢大家。
That's the end of the ceremony. Thank you for coming.